Hello everybody. Today I wanted to tell you guys, shout out to Slim Slimmy, also Sharky, pretty much. I met him on Pixelgun 3D.
No, I met him first.
Yeah, Anthony met him first. So,
Hi.
you guys see anything? I don't know what you guys see because I have turned the camera on like this. Because I can't see any buttons or anything because I have to turn the shock on so I can't see any buttons. Do you hear that sound?
Do you hear that too? Yeah, he's the guinea pig.
Wait, it is?
Check on him. Now he's making his noise.
Yeah. Dude, why the heck is he making that noise? So that guinea pig has been making that noise. Should we freaking close the door because that's freaking scary?
I'm scared. Shut the door.
Okay. I'm gonna turn the camera off first. Did you freaking hear that sound that he made? Do you guys keep hearing that sounds?
Tell them I'm the next ASAP rapper.
And by the way, he's gonna be the next ASAP rapper. Dude, say GG.
GG.
That actually means good game.
Good.
So guys, I am freaking scared right now. It's like 3 in the morning. I'm like so tired.
This is where I think I'm with my hand.
This is what you think of Momo. That's what he thinks of Momo. See his hand?
That's why I think I'm Momo.
Everybody freaking hates Momo.
Yeah, everybody. You say Ardo at FaceTime Momo?
Hey, everybody, did you guys see Although FaceTime Momo?
And play the horror game too. And
play the horror game?
Texas Momo too.
Yeah.
That's creepy.
I freaking know.
Are you messing up my charger?
Oh, sorry. So I'm freaking in Anthony's room. Anthony, talk.
We're in my room.
Just keep talking.
I don't want to.
By the way, he listens to freaking X. XX.
That's tense and so on.
By the way, did you know this guy committed suicide just because X died on his birthday?
I don't want to commit suicide anymore.
He's been saying he wants to commit suicide, but he doesn't. I shouldn't even be saying suicide because I'll probably get my channel deleted.
Suicide is not a joke.
Yep. I probably shouldn't have almost said shout out to Logan Paul.
What did you say?
I don't know.
Tell them Logan Paul is my top 3 favorite YouTubers.
What?
Tell them Logan Paul is my favorite YouTuber.
He says Logan Paul is his favorite YouTuber. Check up his nose, guys.
Catch me outside. How about that?
By the way, we've been actually hearing the guinea pig do that for like 2 hours now. That's why we decided to make that video. You freaking saw that open a bit. Did you see that open a bit? I didn't catch that on camera. So I didn't. Checks.
I'm gonna look at my dream girl. Do not tell it. Do not
He's gonna be looking at his dream girl. Oh, so sexy, he says.
That's hot.
Don't! You're gonna get my channel deleted!
Shh, 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 shh.
We've also been hearing a weird creaking noise from inside the bathroom. So, that's why we decided to make this video. Shout out to Slimmy Sharky.
Oh no.
If you're watching this video, shout out to you. I'm freaking giving you.
I'm gonna do
I know
3
so.
AM challenges when I start YouTube.
And by the way, he wants to do 3 a.m. challenges whenever he starts YouTube. Check up his nose again.
One of them is Momo.
One of them is going to be called Momo.
So it's Mickey Mouse and Slenderman and Squidward and something like that.
You like making noises, Toby.
And a called Freddy Fazbear from Five Nights at Freddy's.
He also wants to do Call Freddy Fazbear from Freddy's. Look at all these.
This is all from Odo.
That was all from Aldo. And shout out to anybody. Wait. Make sure to comment TT Clan for life, and I'll give you a shout out in my next video. You're still making that noise, puppy. Oh crap!
Puppy's a guinea pig.
Being said puppy. By the way, it actually is 3 in the morning.
It's almost 1 o'clock.
It's almost 1 o'clock on his thing, if it says.
You're on my thing back.
It's because he's not the right time. Just telling you. You. And if you guys see anything weird, or anything that's disturbing, like anything weird that you haven't really seen, like ghosts or any of that, tell me in the comments. Okay. That's all for those honorable mentions. Bye!